Hello, Rodan and Fields. It's Katie and I from our homes to yours. First of all, we are so grateful, and we have an ocean of emotion for all the first responders out there who are keeping us safe in these very unusual times. What's going on? Well, this is the new accessory for everybody out there, no matter who you are. So what's the problem? This thing traps moisture. It has friction, there's rubbing, the clip can be a problem, and certainly the elastic band has its own issues as it pulls and tugs on your hair and your skin. So let's go through what the issues are and how we can have you live safe and well under one of these.
Absolutely. Boy, dermatitis under these masks is happening in epidemic proportions. And I'm really hearing a lot about it from my patients who are nurses who may be wearing them for 18 hours at a time. So what does it look like? Well, your skin is a little red, it's sensitive, it's uncomfortable, it might be tingling or itching, you've got peeling, dryness, and it's getting worse by the day because you're wearing the mask more and more. So some tips as to how to deal with this. Well, first of all, make sure your mask is clean. If you're using a cloth mask like this, throw it in the washing machine at least every day. And if you are using a paper mask, you can put these right outside and sunlight will disinfect it. Now, you also need to make sure your skin is clean, but you want to do it gently because the barrier has been broken by this rash that you're experiencing. And so you want to use non-surfactant cleansers. Now, drugstore ones, Cetaphil, CeraVe, we certainly have one in Soothe. And you want to avoid exfoliation at all costs, not the time to try and work off that peeling skin. Gotta let it heal. You need to moisturize and reapply throughout the course of the day. We suggest a lighter weight lotion underneath your mask and then something a little more occlusive at night while your skin is repairing itself. For the redness, Soothe 2 with RFP3 can be really helpful to calm down irritated skin. Now, finally, break up with your makeup. This is not the time to be wearing foundation and lipstick under these guys. You know, you're adding more chemicals, more potential irritants to your skin that is already inflamed. So put that to the side for now.
God, I love those tips. They're really important. So we all know about acne. Generally, it's hormonal, those stress and what we're going through is an impactor. But the mask can cause friction and rubbing. And for many people, they may start to get breakouts exactly where the mask is making contact. So that's important. So the question is, what do we do about it? What you want to do is apply your acne routine, your medicines of benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, and sulfur at night. Because if you put medicine on in the morning and then a mask, you're actually heating it up and causing occlusion, may cause irritation. So apply your routine at night, but do it every night. And don't treat spots, treat the whole face to prevent breakouts. Remember, that ritual really matters. Please use them because we're thinking of you. And we know with this new accessory, you just gotta deal with it. So wishing you success.
Thanks so much. We're thinking of you. We're all in this together.